Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to change your store location on Uber Eats. It's a very simple process that allows you to access restaurants and shops from any desired neighborhood. First, open the Uber Eats application on your mobile device. Then, look for the address bar, usually located prominently at the top of your screen. This bar typically displays your current or most recently used delivery address. You can easily adjust it to suit your needs, exploring a wider range of options. Once you have opened the app, find the address bar at the very top. It might show your current location or a previous delivery spot. Simply tap on this address bar to activate the location search function. This action will open a new screen where you can input or select a different delivery destination. It is the first step towards unlocking new culinary experiences from various areas. Now, on the new location search screen, you have several options for inputting your desired address. You can type in a specific street, city, or even a zip code to find a new area. The app also provides suggestions based on your past searches or popular nearby places. Take a moment to accurately enter the new details, ensuring precise delivery. Selecting the right spot is crucial for a smooth ordering experience. After you have typed in your new address, you will see a list of matching locations appear. Carefully select the correct one from the provided options to confirm your choice. The Uber Eats app will then automatically refresh, displaying all the available restaurants and stores in that newly selected area. You will immediately notice the updated delivery times and any changes in fees for your new spot, giving you a clear overview.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.